Hey guys, good morning. We're gonna head down. We're gonna pick up the 350 4-bolt main that we're gonna have built for the 49 Chevy. We're gonna take it down to the engine builder. Also this morning, he said he's gonna have a engine on the Dyno. He's gonna do a pool this morning, so hopefully we get to see a couple of pools. I have a big block. Should make 650 horsepower is what he was thinking. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll get to see that today. So stick around. Just look at all these blocks, all this equipment. Look at that. Rows of cranks. This dude is the one that built the Dreamsicle motor 6 years ago, I guess. Not a second problems. So we'll watch this dyno pull. So cool. That's the assembly room. All them damn heads. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. $691. Holy shit. here we have a good little 305, good running little motor. I just want to pull it out. I want to put that 350 in there, the one we just dropped off. Got a 350, nice running, going to be a nice running motor, 4-bolt main. Should be able to get 450 horsepower out of that thing. Then we'll get it put right in here, get some chrome for it, just make the old truck look pretty good. I mean, it already looks pretty good, but sorry about my shadow. But yeah, make her look pretty good. Get some new rims for it. Still got to get those. It's just been hard getting rims right now, everybody knows. But yeah, I'll probably sell this motor or keep it for another project. Better watch what I say, my wife can see this. So, but yeah, the old truck, get yourself a brand new motor in there. Nice 350, 4-bolt main. Got a set of camel hump heads going on there. Nice little cam, nothing crazy, because we do drive the piss out of this thing. So yeah. All right, well, thanks for checking it out, and we will talk to you all next time. I'm going to do a video on the dyno. I'm going to have a motor dyno, so I'll do a video on that one as well. So look for that build video and the dyno video. I love watching my motors get dynoed, although this motor was cool, but I want to see mine done. So, all right, thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next one.